I'm Amy. I've been serving on ARIN's advisory council for 6 years now, and I would really appreciate the opportunity to serve another term. My time on the advisory council has been really meaningful to me so far. I really love being a part of this community. I came into this world through kind of an unusual path. I come from a legal background, and I started coming to ARIN meetings because I was part of an organization where I was helping to lead the development of an IP address brokerage. So we were starting to get into policy, and this community was so welcoming to me, and I was eventually elected onto the advisory council, and I've really loved being a part of this whole world. I think that my professional history is something that's been really relevant to policy that has been going on over the course of the past several years. For many years, I worked as an IP address broker, where I helped organizations of pretty much every type and size to navigate the ARIN transfer process and the transfer process in other RIRs. I work with just about every type of organization, from rural ISPs to multinational corporations, universities, enterprise organizations, legacy holders, non-legacy holders, you name it. I have probably handled some transfers for those types of organizations. More recently, I've been working for Amazon as a technical business developer, where I help ensure that Amazon has the internet number resources that it needs to continue to run and grow its network. And there I've gotten a chance to take a deeper dive into the needs and concerns of really large cloud services companies, really large networks, and the needs and concerns of their customers as well. I think that my experience over the past decade has been pretty substantial in its breadth, and I have quite a bit of insight into the ways that ARIN policy impacts a wide variety of types of organizations, and the way that it impacts the market as a whole, and the amount that organizations end up having to pay to acquire the resources that they need to run their networks. I think that this insight is something that's particularly useful to the advisory council as we deal with IPv4 exhaustion and the issues that continues to present to organizations within our community. I think that we're going to continue to be developing policy to address some of those issues for quite some time now. I would really love the opportunity to continue to tackle these problems with this community and new problems that come up over time. So I would really appreciate your support in serving another term on ARIN's advisory council. Thank you.